Hello and welcome back to Rocks and Rally. This is part 2 of our winch bumper build for my '79 Jeep Cherokee. Now I went and cut out some metal for the winch plate and mounting tabs, but you just can't start a winch bumper build without a winch in mind. Luckily for me, my missus ran out and found this winch on sale. It's of the Badlands variety and I'm pretty excited. So let's get this open and set it down on a winch plate and mark out how much room we need. Got a little owner's manual, pack of stickers, no stars there, still missing out. Here's where we're at with our front bumper. So I went ahead and cut this section out because it's in the way. I'm just gonna set this aside if anybody needs it. And I'm actually going to cut a little bit more out just so we can get the winch plate even further in. This is as far as I want it to come out, and right now it's about an inch too far. And then I'll do something with this piece if it's still in the way. And there we go. It's folded over, nice and clean, and then I'll come through and just re-weld it. All right, it's the next day. This is level, the winch is centered. Now we just need to mark our lines for where we're gonna trim this winch plate down and figure out how we're gonna go from there. It's a new day. Well, it's been a few new days, but I finally got the winch plate finished. I got the basic shape lined out and the bolt holes drilled out. And now you can see I added a little notch right here, so that way when I put a shackle through here, no matter how large it is, it's not going to be hitting this winch plate. Now, what we're going to be doing today is I need to measure and cut out some metal for this whole front face right here. Well, that's looking pretty damn good. Now onto this bottom section. And with all the pieces tacked together, but you can't do that with flux core. Luckily, my friend Jason let me use his welder, and I was able to fill all the gaps from the inside. Then he stitched together the face with some beautiful MIG work. As always, thank you for watching and stay tuned for part 3 of this bumper build. I really want to add some tube work to this front bumper, and I also want to do something to add a rear hitch on the back. The stock one is not going to cut it.